Number 12 is kangaroos. Yes, surprisingly, the kangaroo can pose a serious threat to a person. We think of them as bouncy and cute, but a large male can be incredibly muscular and aggressive. However, an attack will usually only happen if you enter its territory and the animal feels danger. To avoid a conflict, do something that sounds completely counterintuitive. Cough. Your coughs should be short and quiet. The kangaroo will consider it a sign of a disease or submission. It signals to the animal that you are weak and not a challenger for his territory, so he most likely won't attack you. While you are doing this, slowly back away. This way, you will look smaller and therefore less dangerous.